This is BB Ventures Arts. I'm here to teach you simple style for choirs and wedding fascinator. This work is for choirs. I want us to do it together. I have 10 of it. I'm going to make a simple design on it. This base is what we call sugar. I bought it like this. It's already made one with paper mat and a design on it. Then I have my cream rolling for the design. I have my rose. This rose, I make it myself and it's in the market. You can buy it in the market now. I have my specky feather. I'm going to use this feather to design it. My scissors and my needle. Now, the first thing you are going to do is that you are going to cut cream rolling. This is 14. You fold it like this, then fold it inside. You fold it in again, then you fold it together. Then take your needle and thread. Tie it down, then tie it. And cut the thread. That is the first design. This is a bow spiral. We call it bow spiral. Put it aside, then let's do the second one. The next one I'm going to do, remove this thread here, then fold it, then tie it. Then do your hemming down. And turn it to the hemming up. To give you something like this. Then you tack it. There's our second design. This is the design. This is the spiral bow. I make 3 of it. And I make another design bow. This size is 14 in length. This one is 8 in length. And while this one is 16 in length. Then join it together. Take the spiral bow, join it with this one. Tack everything together. Then take the second one, join it together with it. can see I've joined that one. Then take the small spiral bow, you put it, join it together, put it down, fix it. You can fix it one after the other. You can see it, I've joined all together. Then take your sugar paper mat base, then tack it on it. Tack it on it. Make sure you tack it well. Tack it on it. Take your wax candle gum, put your wax candle gum and place it on it and gum. Put your feathers around it as you want. You can see it. I've put my bow with the feather and the stones I want to place on that rose. Look at it. You can see it's very beautiful for choir and wedding ceremony. I make for your customer. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.